Finding the right electric wheelchair can be a life-changing decision, offering increased independence and comfort for those with mobility issues. With various options available, it might feel overwhelming to choose the right one. The best electric wheelchairs combine safety, durability, and comfort to meet your specific needs and lifestyle. When selecting an electric wheelchair, you should consider factors like weight capacity, battery range, and overall design. Different models cater to specific needs, such as outdoor use or compact designs for traveling. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best electric wheelchairs and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Vive Folding Electric Wheelchair. If you're looking for an affordable electric wheelchair that still offers solid features, the Vive Folding Electric Wheelchair is definitely worth a look. It's priced under $1,000, which is a great value considering everything it brings to the table. For starters, it's super travel-friendly. The chair folds up easily and weighs just 95 pounds, so it's manageable if you're on the go often or need to load it into a car. Despite being lightweight, it doesn't skimp on comfort. Both the seat and armrests are padded, and it comes with an adjustable lap belt for added safety and support. Performance-wise, it holds its own with a range of up to 12 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 4 miles per hour, which is right in line with pricier models. It also has a 360-degree joystick controller that works for both left and right-handed users, so it's adaptable to your needs. Plus, there's a safety horn, a USB port for charging your phone, and a battery indicator light, all placed within easy reach. One thing to note is that it has a weight limit of 220 pounds, which might not be suitable for everyone. But for many users, it hits a sweet spot of affordability, convenience, and comfort. All in all, the Vive Folding Electric Wheelchair is a smart choice if you want something reliable and easy to use without breaking the bank. Whether you're using it daily or just for travel, it's a solid, well-rounded option that covers the basics, and then some. Number 4. Merits. P312. A Dueler. If you're looking for a super versatile electric wheelchair, the Merit's 2-in-1 power base is definitely worth checking out. What makes it stand out is how easily it switches between front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive, literally just by rotating the base. That flexibility is great if you're using it in different environments, whether you're indoors, outdoors, or navigating tight spaces. Another cool feature is the seat lift. It can raise up to 5 inches, which can make a big difference when reaching for things or interacting with others at a higher level. The chair supports up to 300 pounds and has a solid range of up to 18 miles on a full charge, so it's great for getting around without worrying too much about battery life. The back seat is also really supportive, which is huge for comfort, especially if you're using it for long periods. It's not exactly lightweight, 137 pounds without the battery, and it doesn't fold down, so it's not the easiest to travel with. But if you're mainly using it at home or for regular daily activities, it more than makes up for the lack of portability with its functionality. Its 19.6-inch turning radius is the best on the list, which means it handles really well in tight spots. Plus, with a 24-inch width, it's specifically designed for maneuvering through narrow doorways and hallways. And the customization options? Super handy. You can choose everything from the seat style and joystick type to accessories like a cane holder, saddlebag, or even a chair cover. You can even pick the color. All in all, it's a powerful, comfortable, and highly adaptable option, perfect for users who want a little bit of everything. Number 3. Jazzy AirMed. If you're looking for a power wheelchair that really prioritizes both comfort and independence, the Jazzy AirMed is definitely worth checking out, even though it's more of a splurge. What makes it stand out is how user-friendly and customizable it is, especially for people who struggle with doing everyday tasks from a seated position. One of the biggest highlights? The elevating seat. It can raise you up to 12 inches, which is incredibly helpful for reaching shelves, interacting with people at eye level, or handling tasks around the house without constantly needing assistance. That feature alone adds a whole new level of independence. Comfort-wise, it's got a padded seat and backrest, plus adjustable armrests and footplate, so you can tweak it until it feels just right. And when it comes to customization, there are tons of options. You can choose the seat size, depth, and cushioning, as well as where you want the joystick or leg rests. You can also add extras like lap belts, weather covers, or saddlebags to suit your lifestyle. It also has some nice added touches like LED marker lights, which not only look cool, but also help with visibility. It's not the fastest chair on the market, with a max speed of 3.71 miles per hour, but for most indoor or casual outdoor use, that's totally sufficient. All in all, while it's on the pricier side, the Jazzy AirMed delivers a strong balance of comfort, style, and functionality. If maintaining your independence and having more control over your daily life are top priorities, it could definitely be worth the investment. Number 2. Rubicon DX08 All-Terrain Electric Wheelchair. If you're someone who loves spending time outdoors or lives in an area with mixed terrain, you'll want a mobility device that can handle all kinds of surfaces. That's where the Rubicon DX08 really shines. This compact, foldable power chair is loaded with features designed to make life easier and more comfortable. And it's especially great for outdoor adventures. First off, the all-terrain tires are a standout feature. Whether you're rolling over brick paths, muddy trails, grassy parks, or uneven flooring, these tires are built to keep you moving safely and smoothly. Even inclines up to 12 degrees are no problem, which is pretty impressive for a chair this size. Comfort-wise, the Rubicon DX08 doesn't disappoint. It has a cushioned seat, adjustable backrest and footrests, and solid back support, so you can ride in comfort for longer periods. Plus, there's even Bluetooth connectivity, which is a fun and modern bonus. When it comes to portability, it folds down to just 13 inches tall, making it easy to store or transport in a car. And at only 64 pounds, it's lighter than many other power chairs in its class. It also features shock absorbers to reduce bumps and minimize wear and tear over time. Another great touch? The joystick is adjustable for both right and left-handed users, and the chair can operate in both electric and manual modes, giving you flexibility if needed. It has a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour and can go up to 13 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for day-to-day outings. All in all, the Rubicon DX08 is a smart, versatile option for anyone who wants comfort, convenience, and performance across a wide range of terrain. Number 1. Reyhee Superlight 3-in-1 Electric Foldable Wheelchair. If you're looking for a solid, all-around electric wheelchair that balances affordability, functionality, and travel-friendly design, the Reyhee 3-in-1 electric wheelchair is a standout pick. It earned the top spot on our list for a few key reasons. First off, it's priced more affordably than many others with similar features. What really makes it shine is the 3-in-1 design, which includes electric, manual, and combination modes. That versatility makes it super convenient, whether you want full motorized support or prefer a manual push every now and then. Plus, if you travel often, you'll appreciate that it's foldable and lightweight, coming in at just 49 pounds. Expert Norman even suggests going for a foldable model if you're frequently on the move, and this one fits the bill perfectly. It also offers dual control, so either the user or a caregiver can operate the chair. That flexibility is a huge plus, especially in different environments like at home, in a store, or navigating tighter spaces. The durable aluminum frame is built to last, and the chair includes 2 drive modes, regular drive and a neutral freewheel mode, so you can easily switch things up depending on your needs. For comfort, the Reyhee comes with a cushioned seat and padded armrests, which is nice for longer outings. You'll also find 2 storage compartments, one under the seat and one under the left armrest, handy for holding small items or personal belongings. That said, the back support could be better, and there aren't many customization options, so it may not be the best fit if you're looking for a highly tailored setup. But overall, for a reliable, portable, and versatile electric wheelchair, the Reyhee is tough to beat. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.